jobs guarantee scheme as well, because at a convention of Manrega workers called by the party in the national capital, while urging people to stand together and push back against the new law, which has replaced the 20-year-old Congress Leela rural employment scheme, Rahul Gandhi says that he doesn't understand what is the name of the new legislation. What is it? G Gram G? This is something that how he reacted.
और अब ये इसका नए लॉ का नाम क्या है? मैं नाम ही नहीं जानता। इसका क्या है? जी ग्राम जी क्या है? ग्राम जी पता नहीं क्या।
Meanwhile, has reacted swiftly, accusing Rahul Gandhi and the Congress of being aversive to Lord Ram's name.
राहुल गांधी जी को स्पष्ट तौर पे जी राम जी नहीं कहना चाहिए, उनको कहना चाहिए जी नाथू राम जी गोडसे। ये नाथू राम का राम है, इसमें भगवान राम का राम नहीं है। तो निश्चित तौर पे राहुल गांधी जी को बिना किसी संकोच के इन बीजेपी के लोगों को माफ करिएगा, इस देश के हिंदुओं के दुश्मनों को मुंह तोड़ जवाब देना चाहिए।
वो नाम से ही आपत्ति है इनको, प्रभु राम से आपत्ति है। जहां भी राम आ जाएगा, लेकिन उनको ये समझना चाहिए कि महात्मा गांधी के भी अंतिम शब्द भगवान राम को ही समर्पित है।
Now, as far as reactions that have been coming in, while Rahul Gandhi appeared to mock the name of the scheme, here is Congress Party President Mallikarjun Kharge training his guns on the Prime Minister instead, launching a personal attack and mocking his humble beginnings. Kharge says that the Chaiwala narrative has been manufactured for elections and for votes, calling it as a drama that has been enacted by the Prime Minister for electoral gains.
4 दिन तुम भी मजदूरी करो, आपको मनरेगा का काम करो, मालूम होता है। लोगों को वोट लेने के लिए मैं चाय वाला हूँ, चाय। अरे कभी चाय बनाया? ये सब इनका नाटक है, गरीबों को दबाने का इनका आदत है।
Now, this is not the first time when the Congress has now crossed the line with its personal attacks on the Prime Minister. Right from Jhuto Ka Sardar to Neech Aadmi to Chaukidar Chor hai, the list goes on. The BJP once again has slammed the Congress party ki apman ki dukaan, accusing it of insulting not just the Prime Minister but the countrymen as well.
कांग्रेस पार्टी मोहब्बत की दुकान नहीं, धमकी अपमान की दुकान और भाईजान बन चुकी है। इससे पहले भी 150 गालियां, अपमानजनक टिप्पणी, मारने की धमकी कांग्रेस ने प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी को दी है, क्योंकि वो गरीब समाज से आते, ओबीसी समाज से आते, चाय वाले पृष्ठभूमि से आते। चौकीदार चोर है भी कहा। उनकी माताजी को गालियां भी दी बिहार चुनाव में। हमने देखा है कि किस प्रकार से मोदी तेरी कब्र खुदेगी, हिटलर की मौत मरेगा, लाठी डंडे से मारेंगे, राहुल गांधी ने बोला है। भस्मसूर, नीच, गंगू तेली, मोदी समाज को गाली, उनके ओबीसी वर्ग को गाली।
Mallikarjun Khargeji's extremely toxic remarks about Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is a grievous insult to the 140 crore hardworking, meritorious Indians. Khargeji is parroting the abusive, toxic language of Rahul Gandhi, and his vile remarks are a direct attack on the dignity and self-respect of our brothers and sisters belonging to the OBC and disadvantaged communities.
Well, Dev is joining us live right now. Dev, good morning. Because, as far as the BJP believes that this narrative of personal attacks on the Prime Minister actually backfires on the opposition.
Well, yes, this is not the first time that the opposition has tried to rile up the people against the ruling dispensation. Every time we have seen that it has seriously backfired, and none of this really works. Maybe it's in the news for a few days, but this time he has definitely gone a bit far, and he has asked the people, all the laborers from various places across India in the event that was organized by Rachnatmak Congress to unite against the new VB Gram bill that has come up. They said that this is an attempt to dismantle the previous Manrega, an attempt to do away with the rights of the laborers, calling it a dilution of the previous Manrega law, meanwhile trying to bring in a new one. In a symbolic gesture, the laborers from various parts of the country had even picked up the soil from the place that they represent and had tried to plant a seed in the place where they had gathered. In fact, Rahul Gandhi had even was spotted with a gamcha around his head and was carrying a spade to try and connect with the laborers and the farmers from different parts of the country who had gathered to unite.
So we've
They
often
said
seen,
that
as far as during the election season, the political discourse goes down to such a level where personal attack seems to be taking center stage. However, the BJP is of the opinion that it always backfires as far as the opposition is concerned. And time and again, it is the mandate of the people that needs to be respective of what they gave in 2014, in 2019 and in 2024. Thank you very much, Dave, for joining in live. And as you can see, it's been raining in Delhi and in NCR as well. And that means that there has